Okay, with this problem, we're going to try to find the exact value zeros, and they already gave us one, which is x equals negative 3i. The first thing you want to look at is this exponent right here. This is going to tell you how many zeros you're going to have. The exponent is 4, so we already know we're going to have 4 zeros. So we're just going to go ahead and write that over here. Okay, this is the zero of the factor x plus 3i. And this is the complex conjugate, which they come in pairs. So when they give us this, we also know that we have x minus 3i, which is the zero of x minus 3i is x equals 3i. So now we have 2 of the 4 zeros, and we're going to go ahead and put that over here. X equals 3i. Okay, to find the other 2, we're going to use the FOIL method. If 3ix plus 3ix crosses out, I squared is the same as negative 1. So negative 9 times negative 1 will give you 9. Bring down your x squared. You have x squared plus 9. Now you're going to take this, what you've got from the factors, and you're going to divide that by your original problem. So now we're just going to do long division here. X squared to x fourths is going to give us x squared. Multiply that back across, gives you x to the fourth. X to the squared times 9 is going to give you plus 9x squared. And now you're going to subtract that from what you already have, and that's going to give you, these are going to cross out, this gives you negative 1x squared, and now since there was no x to the third, we're just going to have to bring that down to negative 2x to the third, and you bring down your 18x, negative 18x. And then we just do the same thing we did before. Now you're going to want to take what you got from your long division and try to factor that and get your remaining 2 zeros. There's no factors of negative 1 that will get you negative 2x, so you have to use the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is over there. Off by negative 2 is just 2. Negative 2 squared will give you 4. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 1 is going to just give you a plus 4. Now it'll give you 8 up top with 2 on the bottom. With your 8 up top, you're just going to want to have to factor that. So we'll go over to the side here. Factors of 8, 4, and 2. Factors of 4, 2, and 2. And bring down your 2. And you have a pair of 2 with a 2 left over. You're just going to have to rewrite the whole problem down here. So over 2. And you can divide by 2 to all of these. So that'll give you 2 to 2, 1, and 2 to 2, 1. So we have 1 plus or minus the square root of 2. Break that up, and those are your 2 zeros. You have 1 plus 1 root 2 and 1 minus 1 root 2. And we can just go ahead and write that over here with your other, and those give you your 4 zeros.